Hi everybody, Andrew here at Maple Leaf Customs with a call to action to the online hobby community to participate in this year's annual and seasonal toy drive called Operation Christmas Child. David at TWYCE Diecast posted a video asking you to send new cars to him so that he can forward them on as part of this year's drive. There's already been a big response, and with his consent, I'm just bolstering his invitation. Each year, thousands of shoeboxes are packed as Christmas gifts for less fortunate children around the world. You can pack a box for a boy or a girl. Of course, we're asking for cars. They should be new in a package, not customs, which sometimes have breakable parts that can be swallowed. I've packed many a shoebox while I lived in Canada. My wife and daughters and I would pack 2 each, and it was a highlight for our family each year. And I've also had the wonderful experience of being on site in 2 different countries when the boxes were delivered and distributed to the kids. It's time sensitive, so please contact David at TWYCE Diecast using the link in the description, or you can drop off a shoebox full of cars at your local participating church. Let's make it an annual event in the hobby community and do it even bigger and better next year. Discover the gift of giving and spreading love. Let me be the first to say Merry Christmas, thank you, and God bless you.